Well, welcome back, folks. I think some of y'all remember. I think I did a video from here before. This is the Flying J at Jamestown, New Mexico, and I got here like 5 o'clock, and all the pull-throughs, of course, they were already taken. And there's quite a bit of parking. Now I'm in the dirt lot. Hopefully I don't get blocked in, but I'm watching trucks come in and out the entrance. There's some big moon craters over there, and you can almost tell the owner operators from the company drivers just by the way they go through there. The company drivers just, man, they're just plowing through them. They don't care. They hit them big old craters, and the owner operators are going around. They're gingerly going through there. But I've seen several already mega carrier trucks just, I mean, they just plow. I mean, they're hauling butt through there, and they bounce over them all thing. You know, good grief, just don't care. So anyway, I'm trying to get you straight. Today's topic, and another YouTuber did this video and gave me the idea for it, is, okay, here comes a Volvo. Here comes Swifty Swift. Let's see what he does. I don't know. Can y'all see that? Okay. Yeah, Hummers that got part of them blocked. Can you see how much the trailer just shook? He did all right. Let me turn you a little bit more. Hummer's in the way, really. Because right at the first corner you come to, there are some huge craters. Now, if you go wide, there's still some craters. They're just not as bad. But anyway, another YouTuber I watch, Trucking with Fitz, gave me this idea. And he basically, he said his style of his video was YouTubers that he watches. And it got me thinking, for drive-away, there's just not a lot of people that does drive-away videos that I know of. There could be hundreds of them, but you know, when I was looking into driveway, there just wasn't a lot of videos. The best source that I found when I was getting in driveway was Pro Driveway Man, and I still go back and watch some of his videos. I wish he'd make more. Oh, comes another. Oh, this is prime. He takes it. He slowed down. Now he's trying to take it wide, but was Pro Driveway Man. I binge watched his videos, and I still go back and watch some of them. It's good content, good information. Another channel I watch that has a lot of varied driveway content is the Driveway Bros. They have a little bit of booming, a little bit of, I think they have some decking, and they have some single. They use several, you know. Here comes Loves. What is a Loves repair guy doing in a Flying J parking lot? Because usually Flying J, pull around to the front of me. Usually Flying J does not allow third non-Flying J vendors in their parking lot. This guy's looking for somebody or something, looks like. So anyway, I like the Driveway Bros. They have some very good content too, and I'll try to link all these channels below. And really, when there was a woman, I can't think of her channel. There was 2 people I found. There was a woman doing it, like trying to do no-tow, And I think she only did a couple runs and went back to driving a truck. Out of bounds or no bounds, boundary. Oh yeah, hit them bumps. ABS or VS something. It was his. But she, I thought she had some pretty good content, but she went back to driving a truck, from what I understand, and I thought that channel was gonna, I would probably still watch, but she apparently doesn't do videos no more. There is another one. He did boom loads, and I wish he'd make more videos. This was Jason Kidd, and the couple videos that he's done on booming, I really liked. I enjoyed those. But other than that, that's the one guy that other guy that I found. They're really old videos. Apparently he did like the motorhomes mostly, and he's not into it no more. So, well, they are packing in here. I hope I don't get blocked in. If it do, I'm waking somebody up. I'm only 700 and something miles, 720 I think, from my delivery, and it's a Saturday evening, and I have to deliver Monday morning, so it should be pretty easy to knock most of that out tomorrow. So anyway, other than that, I watched some trucking channels. Obviously, Trucking with Fitz. He's a owner operator in Iowa that does kind of local or sometimes a little regional in a Freightliner FLD 120. That's how I found him, because I was looking for Freightliner FLD 120 content. By and far though, there are two channels that I will usually stop what I'm doing and watch when I see them pop up. The first one is South Georgia Hotshot. I've been following him ever since he started his hotshot business. I don't know why. I think Google recommended him. I watched him. I'm like, phew. I did not care for him at first. But the more I watched him, the more I liked his channel. Him and his wife Lita, they don't have give up in them. And if he don't, he's not afraid to tackle something. Watched him work on his, he went from hotshot to a semi Mac. Watched him work on that. Now I'm one that will usually tackle stuff, but I guarantee some of the stuff he tackled, I wouldn't have tackled. But he did, and he just doesn't give up. And I don't know if it's because he's not smart enough to give up, or he's just like me, pig-headed to give up. But I love their channel. I watch it every time if I'm sitting there doing something and I get a notification he's posting a new video, I go watch it. A lot of good trucking content, non-trucking content. So. The other one is Paperboy Trucker. He drives an end dump for Oakley, and I really enjoy his videos. I've thought about maybe in the future buying a tractor and driving for someone like Oakley. There's several companies that kind of do their thing like that, and I really enjoy his content. In fact, I watch several Oakley drivers. I only know like 3, 4. I see. There's one. Let's see. Cruz, Jimmy, Roy. 4. I guess 4 other ones that I found that I watch. I just like that type of trucking. I used to watch riding. Is it Riding with Dave or Driving with Dave? Riding with Dave, I think. But he stopped. He got out of trucking. I really think, he has like 300,000 subscribers, and I've seen. I've seen several YouTubers who had large counts, large subscribers, get out of what they were doing, and I think this is going to hurt him in the long run. It may not. Not all of his subscribers are from trucking. Some of them's from motocross and stuff like that. But you know, I really enjoyed his channel. I watch. I'm trying to watch what these guys do as they go out. I watch Sturgill LLC, or Sturgill Trucking LLC. He's out of where's he out of? I think southeast Missouri, up by north of Blythefield. In fact, he passed me on I-55 one day, and I didn't notice it was him at first. I seen a gray T660 coming up in a rearview mirror. I was delivering a Peterbilt, and I just thought to myself as I seen him, hey, Sturgill's got one like that. And I did notice it, and he passed me, and I noticed his flatbed trailer looks spotless. That thing looked like you could eat off of it. And I thought, wow. Now I looked to see whose company was on. I said, oh, that's Matt Sturgill. And that was so cool. So, I love Super Trucker Dan. I watch his stuff all the time. Now, I used to watch trucking. I think it's Trucking with Smith or something like that. I just, you know, I think he's a good creator. He's got good camera work and stuff. But his content just doesn't do nothing for me. I don't quite know why. Maybe a little too much personal stuff or non-trucking stuff. You know, I watch a trucking channel for trucking, mostly. I mean, let's see. I think that's about. I mean, I watch a few smatterings of other channels, but not regularly. Non-trucking channels I watch. A lot of y'all know I love fishing, and my two favorite fishing channels is the first one is Richard Jean, the Fishing Machine. Man, that dude is hilarious. I love him. The other one I like is Catfish Dave. You bet. This is a video. I caught a catfish, so this is a catfish video, something like that. And so I love both their content. I've watched a lot of other ones I don't really care for. The ones who are flagrantly playing to the camera, I don't care for. I like the genuineness, so I like Dave and Richard. Couple others. I mean, I watch Adept Ape. He's a Caterpillar mechanic. I watch him, and I watch Western Truck and Tractor. I like him. I have no intentions of ever working on a Caterpillar crawler or anything else, but you know, I watched recently one where he was tearing down a transmission in one and rebuilding it. I don't ever plan on doing that, but I just like watching it. I think I like little short stories sometimes. I watch Amaletto, some of their stuff. If you haven't seen the one called The Gunfighter, go watch it. I think it's The Gunfighter. It's hilarious. It's oh my gosh, it's so hilarious. It's one of my favorite ones. But those are about the only I mean, like I said, I watch a smattering of others here and there. I watch a guy locally, as outdoor channels go, J&S Outdoors. I think he's from Oklahoma. He does a lot of catfishing. I like his stuff. But you know, the kayak catfish guy, I watched him. I just don't care for him that much. I mean, it's not him. It's just, I don't know, that particular content doesn't speak to me. I will never, or I have no plans of ever fishing for catfish from a kayak. So I just don't watch them that much. Other than that, that's about it. I know it sounds a lot like it's really not when you figure out most of them You know, like I said, hands down, the two that I watch when they pop up, well, I'll drop with South Georgia Hot Shot and Paperboy Trucker. I really like both of those, and some of it's just because they're entertaining. Robert on South Georgia Hot Shot, him and Lita, he just cracks me up because he can trigger people, and oh my gosh, it's just hilarious. So anyway, that's that little quick video of the channels I watch. I probably forgot some, but as far as drive-away business, I like the Pro Drive-Away Man and the Drive-Away Bros. I think they're the two best channels out there on drive-away content. I'll say that one guy, I can't remember his name, older content, it was mostly about RV, I believe. And then that lady, I think she was into RV stuff. So anyway, by the way, this is what I'm delivering to California. You can't see. Let me see if I can move out. There you go. Yeah, digger truck. And I don't know if that seat had a cover on it. No, I'm gonna have to go look at my pickup photos. If it had a cover on it, it's somewhere between here and Kansas. Because I just noticed that day I got in a hailstorm today. I've had a little everything today. I had woke up, it was high 60s, got into cool cloudy stuff, then got into a hailstorm east of Albuquerque. Then the temperatures got down to like a high 50s, and then before I got here, as you can see, the sun's shining. It's in the 80s, low 80s. It's crazy, this weather. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna get out of here. I got I done fed the pup. You can see he's there. Done fed the pup. He's sleeping it off. I got some barbecue ribs in this thing. I'm gonna bring y'all. I'll bring y'all a review of this thing. So far, I'm loving it. And then back here we got the old 12-volt fridge freezer, and I'll let you know how I'm loving it. So anyway, I'm going to get off here, and if y'all needed something else to watch on YouTube, I just thought I'd bring you this video. We'll catch you later.